Let's see what we got here today. Another package. Oh, this is a inflator pump. Really small package. A little message here. Dear friends, thanks for your support and have a nice day. Monica. There's the manual, the instructions here. It looks pretty simple. Oh, it's very compact. I like the color. Wow, look at all the design with all the chips there. I really like it. Here's a bag to keep it after we unpack it. The wires to charge it, to connect it to the pump, and 12-volt power outlet. We'll try it later today, but I really like the design. And here you can see the mechanism there. Wow, nice. So before we go out there, we're gonna charge a little bit. Yes, you see it's only 1 bar, so we needed a full to work. Just as a demonstration, we can always use the 12-volt outlet in the car. So we'll wait till this is charged. So here we have the Mota inflator pump. Here's the website, by the way, if you want to get one. Again, all the accessories. This is for the bicycle that we have here. This is the 12-volt connector for inside the car. Here are the different attachments that we're gonna need to inflate different things, and a couple of spare fuses in case it fails. So we also have here, besides the bicycle, we have a soccer ball that I borrowed from my neighbor. So let's get all the air out for the demonstration. I'm gonna do the same here with the bike. Get the air out. Okay. Another thing that I want to point out, and it's really important, is that in this little accessory that I have for my bicycle, I can carry my phone here on the top, and then there you have it. It fits here perfectly, along with the attachment to inflate the tires. And I even have other accessories here, so I can have keys or things, my phone, and the inflator. There you go, in case of an emergency on the road. Very cool. So I've been charging the device for about an hour and a half. Now it's on, so let's start with the soccer ball, which is the easiest one. Let's connect there. I think it's good. Let's try it. So perfect. Goes back to my neighbor over the fence. Now let's do the bicycle. There you go. Looks good. And now let's try the car. So there's the indication that the pressure is low in the left front, that we did on purpose just for this test. As you know, all the information about the pressure for the tires is always here on the side of the door seal, sideways obviously. So here for the front, 46 psi. So it's a smart device. Once it reaches the needed pressure, it stops on its own. Put this back on. So there you have it, a great device. And I think I'm gonna keep it here on the bike because again, it's small enough that it fits. Connector there too. And if I need it for the car, I just need to remember that I put it here. So highly recommend it. So here we go. The car is on, so it's a little loud. Let's look for 46.